Oh, nice. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Name is... Yes, yes. Okay, alright. You speak, you speak.
My name is Chai.
No, 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 no. Not your name, not your name. Speak, speak. Ah.
Ah.
Alright, masarap.
Anong
Ah.
masarap? Ah.
Yummy. Ay, wait lang. No, don't me, because I'm Doc.
Ikaw ba si Doc?
Yes, I'm Doc.
Akala ko,
Kasi-
sira ulo. Ay.
Your body is straight, but your face is vertical.
Grabe naman.
Wait, don't straight body. Umubo ka. One more time. I know you.
You know me?
Yes,
Why you know me?
because your ubo is trying hard.
It's trying hard.
Trying hard yung ubo mo. Wala kang ubo.
Ah,
O ganun.
pinahirapan ako. Marunong ko
Yung-
naman pala magtagalog.
Close open. Close open. Your baby. Wait,
Bakit?
I'm serious. I'm
Are
serious.
you serious?
Close open. Close open. Close open. Your baby. No. You're not baby. You're matured. Don't close open to front of me. Align. Approve. You're voting.
What are you doing, Doc?
This for check-up, not voting.
You said approve it.
Your thumb.
Yeah.
Eh, may I see?
Bakit?
May I taste?
Bakit naman? Hindi ko pagkain to.
Ah, di ba? Oh, let's check your eyes. You see there?
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. You see there? What you see?
Wall.
Wall. Don't look to the wall because I'm here. Your doctor is here, not the wall. You know that?
Yes.
Now, understand. I check your nose. Wait. I check your
Okay.
nose. Can you breathe? Your breath is that? Is also inhale is that? Inhale. Exhale. Your dragon. I'm serious.
Are you serious? Bakit naman?
Your dragon because your sound is like a dragon.
No.
No. It's your people. I check your mouse. Wait. Don't laugh. This is comedy. This is check-up. This is check-up.
You're funny, Doc. You're funny.
You're funny. Not. I'm assassin. I'm core. Funny.
Okay, Doc. Hindi na ako tatawa, Doc.
I check first your lips.
Okay.
Lips. Ibuka. Are you fish?
No.
No. Are you?
No.
Are you?
No, I am human.
Yes. I know that because my shades is reflecting to fish. I check your teeth. Your toothbrush is not absorbing your teeth.
Hindi pa ako
No toothbrush?
Hindi pa, Dok.
Ah, okay. I know. Check your ears. This is microscope.
What?
This microscope.
No, Dok.
Ah, okay. Ay, nagkamali ako ng tingin. Your ears is so nice. This is earrings?
Yes.
Yes. Oh. Alright. Your face is klarado naman. Base sa aking
Marunong naman pala kayo magtagalog, Dok.
base sa mga nakita ko, kailangan mo lang alagaan. So check your feet. You trying to go to bat? No? Sino sa tingin mo yung umatot?
Kayo, Dok.
Ah, okay. I know that. But let's continue. I check your skin. Whoa, that's nice skin. So dry. May I know your lotion?
May lotion.
Of lotion? Because your skin is like to mosquito bite.
Yes, then.
Yes. Ang gawin mo, paidan mo lang ng ano natin off lang. Laging off.
Oh, sige po, Dok.
Paidan lang Yun yung mare-record natin. Kasi pangkalahatan to Standing.
Standing ovation ba to?
Ganyan ba pag chine-check up nakatayo?
Sabi niyo, Dok
Opo. Oh, it's okay?
Yes.
You know standing? You know sit?
Yes.
Are you dog? No.
No!
Alright. Now let's check your BP.
It's not me, Doc. That's pulse.
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 It's true. That's pulse. You know that's pulse. It's true. Your high blood?
No.
Mga nakakailang rice ka sa isang araw?
Mga dalawa, Dok.
2 butil?
Hindi, 2
2 kilo?
Dalawang ano lang.
2 scoop?
2 scoop lang.
Scoop ng gatas?
Hindi po.
Ano po?
Basta 2 tasa, mga ganun.
2 tasa. May I know yung family? What's your surname?
Reyes.
No, surname. Yung sir mo.
Sir. Akala ko
What's your surname?
Akala ko apelido
Pido. What's your name?
Ano po?
What's your name? Surname.
Surname?
Yes.
Di ko alam
Hindi mo. Nakalimutan mo na.
Nakalimutan to, Dok.
I know. Based to my experience to 20 years of my occupation, based to you have Alzheimer's. Because forgotten the names of your friends and sir.
Nakalimutan ko na. Alzheimer na agad yun, Dok.
Wait. Can you please proceed to another topic because you're forgotten the name. So I proceed that.
Okay.
Alright. What's your middle?
Middle what, Dok?
Middle of your name?
Middle of my name.
Yes.
C.
See, what's the name? What's your name? Chai. The middle of your name is H. Not C, no?
A.
No? You based to my topic to you, you're lying to me.
Why?
Because your name is trying to hide.
No, Doc, it's Chai.
It's Chai. Chai na, I know. You're a liar?
No.
No. Are you eating sugar?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. You are Johnny, no?
No.
No.
No, Papa. I know, Doc. No, Doc.
No, Doc. What's my name?
Doc.
Doc. Doc Wak Wak.
Doc, wak.
Yes. My name is Doc Wak Wak again, and thank you for that wonderful interview to you. You're okay, and I give my number to contact me to your med. What you want? What you want to med? What you want?
What you want?
What you want? What you want? Tell me. Anong gusto mong gamot?
Ganun pala yun.
Tell me.
Bakit ako yung magsasabi, Doc? Dapat ikaw
Hindi,
yung magsasabi.
kailangan mo lang magsabi ng isang gamot lang. Tell me, what's your...
Sakit sa ulo na lang.
Oh, anong gamot yan?
By Jessic.
Kay Jessic. Pharmacist ako.
Hindi ko alam. Doktor ka, sabi mo eh.
Doktor. Sorry. So far, bibigyan muna kita ng Biogesic para sa ulo.
Ha? Parang ako din yung nagsabi nung gagamot sa akin.
Kaya nga eh. Dapat, alam mo rin yung gamot mo. Hindi lang doktor yung may alam para sa gamot mo.
Hindi hindi na ako nagpunta sa doktor.
O sige, bibigyan kita. Ano nga yung ano mo?
Yung ano?
Makalimutin ka.
Makakalimutin ako, Dok.
Sige, kailan yung huling punta mo sa CR?
Hindi ko maalala eh. Baka kahapon pa, Dok.
Pupunta ka sa CR ngayon.
Sa
Punta ka
CR
muna.
ngayon.
Hintayin kita. Yan, come here. O na. Kailan yung huling punta mo ng CR?
Ngayon lang.
Yeah, naalala mo na. Ibig sabihin, your success. Magaling ka na. Huwag ka nang mag-alala kasi wala kang diferensya. Alright, once again, this is Doc Wak Wak, and I message you to pay me. Thank you.
Okay, Dok. Doktor ba talaga yun? Parang ako din yung gumamot sa sarili ko.